Turkey dinner.
I just about shit my fucking britches.
Come on, Cassidy. Come on, Cassidy. Come on, Cassidy.
Hello and welcome back to a brand new edition of Call of Duty. We're doing the kill order again, where I think we have a high value target. I think that's the one Lorenzi chose here. She told me this isn't a new game mode. It's new to me, okay? I thought it was new in the last video, but I suggested that we do this again and get that high value target. So let's go.
Face off kill order.
You know, let's get them.
Keep your team's HVT alive and hunt
Why?
the enemy down.
Oh shit.
Team down.
Oh shit. I'm
HVT
getting
under fire.
murdered.
Repeat. HVT under fire.
We need a coordinated protection plan for Laredo.
Friendly HVT on
Laredo's
site.
dead.
Keep him safe.
Laredo's dead? Oh, I knocked out the high value target. I got him down.
Package safe.
Target down.
Enemy HVT down. Enemy HVT on site. Take him out. They got our HVT.
Oh shit, burned to
our
death. Oh
HVT.
yikes.
HVT under fire. Repeat.
You guys,
HVT under fire.
last night.
Our
Cassidy ended up
HVT's
falling
been
in love with
eliminated.
them.
I did fall in love with it. I fell in love with it
Alright.
again last night. If I could
Eyes
keep
up.
not getting
Enemy
killed over
HVT.
and over, it'd be great, right? I would love not getting fucking murked all the time. Oh shit, I'm HVT, I'm HVT!
located.
I'm HVT and I just got murdered. I was the high value bitch and I got fucked up for it. Damn.
Friendly
I need to get this
HVT on
fucking
site.
grenade shit
Keep him
running.
safe.
Ooh, HVT down, bitch, you down with a granada.
HVT's taking fire.
I'm not for this video.
Enemy HVT on site. Take him out.
Never mind, because I forgot to do something for my fuck
Got their HVT. They got our HVT.
I'm alive.
Oh, shit, it's so loud, I can't hear my
You're our
ass
HVT.
think.
Stay alert.
I have to stay alive. Save the Dilla! Ah, save the Dilla! Oh shit, I got stormed by 3 people.
Hostile HVT located.
It was real fun on that ship when we could defend me like a lot. It was real fun on that damn
HVT
ship.
under fire. Repeat. HVT
Oh, I'm
under
the
fire.
HVT.
Our HVT's been eliminated. Enemy HVT
I feel like the game's a lot louder now for some reason.
Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe.
That is just a lot more. There's a lot more shooting in one small area.
Neutralize hostile trophy system.
Oof. Trying to go for that high value target, but ugh. Didn't work.
Grenade.
HVT on site. Take them out. They got our HVT. We took out their HVT. Hostile HVT located. Protect our HVT.
Your ass got flanked, motherfucker! Oh, I got a stim kill. I'll
under
take
fire.
that.
Repeat. HVT under fire. Our HVT's been eliminated.
There's a lot more shooting in this one.
Keep them safe.
Okay, I'm the HVT. Protect me.
HVT is
I
taking
don't know about all that.
Package safe.
Damn.
I do not like this.
Shit, I don't like this map either for this. I like the ship map. The ship map was real fun.
I knocked that motherfucker
HVT
down.
down.
I think they're gonna try to heal him.
Guys, I'm still HVT.
Enemy HVT on site. Take them out. HVT under fire.
I'm down.
HVT under fire.
I got theirs.
We took out their HVT. Hostile HVT located.
Oh shit, knocked him down.
Protect our HVT. Enemy HVT is
Dead.
down. HVT is taking fire. Keep
Incoming
back
fire.
Yeah, this map is not a good way to defend like that boat map was. We could defend like a motherfucker there.
Yeah, this one's a
Enemy
little too
HVT on
open for
site.
that.
Take him out.
For defending a high value target. Oh yeah.
I like the house
Got
one.
double pistols.
Watch your target ID.
That's fucking
Yeah, when they
sick.
just come right through the wall, you're fucked.
HVT under fire. Repeat. HVT under fire.
Oh my god, I love these double
Hostile
pistols.
HVT located. Enemy HVT is down. Enemy HVT
Sighting
on
on movement.
site. Take him out.
Hostile field upgrade spotted.
Heights, we were going into that one.
I think they downed that HVT, by
Oh shit, I think I threw that grenade right at the guy. Didn't get it, Daz, but tried to.
HVT is taking fire. Keep track of the Our HVT has been eliminated.
This one's so action-packed, it's hard to know who the hell who is.
Enemy
Yeah,
trophy
it's
system
a-
Friendly
removed.
HVT on site. Keep them safe.
So when I turned you down on my video and you were yelling at the first 2 minutes, I was like, I'm just not even gonna record this.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna record this match. This is fun.
Hey, atención, inbound grenade.
Oh, shite. Huh?
I'm not recording it because you were so
HVT under fire.
loud.
Repeat,
I'm turning
HVT
you
under
down.
Identify
fire.
enemy mine.
The
We took out
the
their
shots are so
HVT.
loud over you, it's hard to hear
They
you
got our
too.
HVT.
Yeah.
You're not loud.
Hostile HVT located.
Watch it out the turn
Protect our
down.
HVT.
Enemy flashbang.
Taking fire. Keep
Damn
back
chameleon
safe.
God
motherfucker.
damn it.
Our HVT has been eliminated. Enemy HVT is down. All right.
Yeah,
Eyes
it's
up.
like- it's
Enemy
like-
HVT.
Side
Enemy
flashbang.
HVT on site. Take
Throwing
them
the
out.
dark grenade.
Oh shit. Oh shit. I was HVT and nobody came to me.
Friendly
Jesus.
HVT on
Nobody
site.
came to get
Keep
the
them
Dilla.
safe.
Okay, I'm the HVT, y'all. Protect my little ass.
Hostile assault pack.
HVT under fire. Repeat. HVT
gonna
under
die.
fire.
I was trying to get to you, but I got
They got our
shot.
HVT. Protect our HVT. Fire. Keep the package safe.
Oh shit, my little
We
eyes
took out
just
their HVT.
destroyed themselves. Shit, I was trying to hit him with that grenade, but I knew
Hostile
I should have
HVT
just
located.
did it a different way.
Enemy field upgrade active.
That would have been a perfect time for a fucking grenade.
Enemy
I
12.
run around the corner and instantly get
HVT under
shot.
fire. Repeat. HVT under fire.
Target eliminated.
Our HVT has been eliminated.
Neutralize hostile trophy system.
Damn, I was trying to throw a grenade at him. Shite.
You're our HVT. Stay alert.
Hostile field upgrade spotted. Don't fuck with me.
Ooh, what was that?
Enemy flashbang.
Oh, I survived for a little bit. Not for very long though.
Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe. HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe.
Oh, I downed their HVT.
Why is our HVT fucking running? Like, what the fuck? Why is he pushing?
They got our HVT.
Got their HVT.
is
Check your
down.
aim.
Protect our HVT.
I've been told I stress people out with reload. I'm sorry, y'all. If I've been stressing y'all out, I've just been focused on the
Enemy
gameplay.
HVT on site. Take them out.
Got him.
Our HVT has been eliminated.
Well,
Friendly
Cassidy stressed
HVT on site. safe.
I always stress her out, y'all. That's just my thing. I always just stress her the fuck out.
HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe. They got our
Target,
HVT.
12 o'clock.
Would I be a good wife if I didn't stress her the fuck out? Yeah. I feel like every wife stresses
Enemy
their
HVT on
wife
site. Take
out.
them out.
Got an HVT.
Protect our HVT. HVT under
that.
fire.
Knock that
Repeat,
shit off.
HVT under fire.
Enemy
Got
field
their
upgrade active.
I got that HVT, bitches, and I got me some revenge
down.
with the
Our
spring line.
HVT's been eliminated.
Enemy has a shock charge.
Hostile HVT located. Friendly HVT on site. Keep them safe. HVT is taking fire. Keep the package safe. They got our HVT. You gonna let a bunch of company assholes beat you? Fight back, damn it! Alright, eyes up. You're the HVT.
Hostile field upgrade spotted. Operator down.
Oh, I was down real quick as that HVT. I was down.
Enemy grenade.
Protect our HVT. HVT under fire. Repeat, HVT under fire. I don't believe it's
Shit,
bad.
man.
It's bad aim.
We were trying,
It's
but
over. Collect the wounded
Lord
and get to the
have
CCP.
mercy. All right, guys. Second clip. Got the Jai over here going to sleep. You shouldn't be the one
Second
tired. We're the
clip.
one tired. Yes, the second clip of this video. Hi, Breeze Teetle. We're on a bullet train. We're
Jesus.
clearing a real bullet train. Oh my god, we should be good at this.
Face your team
It's
deathmatch.
it's a team deathmatch on a damn moving bullet train. That's kind of cool. That's super cool that they're available to do it like this. Oh my god. Just walk in and get
Fucking
murdered. The movement kind of fucks with your brain, I know that. The movement kind of gets you, you know, a little bit. Just a little bit. Your motion sickness, that gets you a little bit. It gets me a little bit going there. All that sideward motion. Oh my lord.
Mother fucker. Mother fucker.
Oh,
Shit, they're on top of the train too, bitch.
what?
They are.
Oh my god, I
Oh
can't
my
even get in
god,
this
Cassidy,
room.
do not go on top of the train. That is going to make me sicker than a damn dog.
And Cassidy goes on top of the train, bitches.
I'm on top of the train. Whoa.
I'm on top of the
that's
train. That's
fucking
kind of trippy.
scary.
That's kind of trippy of the
That is
mofo.
very
This is like being on
trippy.
top of the game. This is like being on top for Polar, with, like in the movie Polar Express. Like holy shite! Oh, I fell off. Ah,
That is
still falls
fucking
off.
scary.
Got gold on this gun though. I'll take it.
Oh my god, you
shit.
can fall off the side?
I guess you can fall off the side of the train. Oh, I'm getting fucked on this map, y'all. Yes, you can fall off
I
the
do
side of
not
the
like
train.
this map either.
I like this one.
We got snipers on top of it.
Snipers where?
Oh whoa, a train just passed us. They do too. They have snipers on top of the train.
Watch out on foot.
Damn, I was gonna be so cheeky on that one. I was gonna be so damn cheeky and just blast it home. Some bitch!
Whoa.
Yeah, this is a good map to camp. This is a good map to camp
Yes.
because all these fuckers here, it's easy to camp.
There is still bitches on top of the train. Oh
What
my
the-
god, I'm on the front of the train. That looks so cool.
Shite stuff. See what they're doing? They're crouching. That's what they're doing to do this shit. They're crouching. This is a good map to camp like a bitch on. This is a good bitch to camp on. I kind of like this map. It's a little bit motion sicknessy, like I'm not gonna lie. When I see that train going by like that and I'm trying to focus on killing a bitch, I'm a little bit motion sicknessy, but...
Holy shit. Oh!
Okay, we're spawning on the other end of the train now. Oh shit, I didn't even shoot.
There's a guy just sitting there sniping people on the...
Yeah, that's kind of the object here is to just do that because... Oh, I got a guy right in the face with a grenade, bruh! Your ass got grenaded. Oh shit, we're up here in the front of the train. Oh my god. Oh, I was trying to throw a
Whoa!
fucking...
There's a... We just went under a bridge.
Oh yeah,
That was
it's definitely kind of trippy. Watch out for the spring mine! Damn. This is an easy map to spray and pray on. Oh, I was trying to spray and pray on that one, but it didn't work.
Behind me.
Oh, they threw the grenade in that door and bam, just killed us all.
You know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of that movie called Bullet Train. Did any of
I
y'all
don't
see
remember
that?
that. I don't remember that video. That movie.
I think you would like the movie actually. It's got a lot of the good characters in it. A lot of the good actors in it. It's about like
I got instantly shot in the door open.
these people on a bullet train trying to basically steal a briefcase and they all kill each other.
Lord have mercy.
It's like a bullet train in Tokyo, Japan.
They got one up top. Not one of the open
Those really
doors.
fast bullet trains.
Just saved your ass.
Thank you, baby. A fucking sniper.
Engaging focus.
I'll take a free headshot. Why not?
Enemies have disarmed your spring line.
Oh shit, they're all the way in the back of the train. They're about to go.
Oh, they were behind me. One from the fucking roof got right behind me. Oh my god, I opened that door and it instantly got domed.
Behind us.
Yup, behind us. Oh, why did I pick up his fucking number? Yeah.
Eyes on the south scrambler.
Behind you, Jai!
Something is back.
Oh, I'm dead!
You fell off, bitch! Hey, don't fall off the train, Lorenzi.
Eyes on those
Damn,
percussion.
they got that fucker. Damn, no.
No forgiveness.
I'm camped out like a bitch right now.
They do.
Okay, I'm up here laying down. He got me again! No!
Jesus.
I'm camping here like a motherfucker, hoping they come through. I gotta run and get him, I gotta run and get his ass.
Jai, up top's clear. Actually, I
Your
have
ass
They're all down here now.
pistol whipped.
got his ass. Where did... He came from behind my house.
Enemy grenade!
You could do.
Got the guys camping. That's a fucking
Release
something.
hostile scrambler!
Fucking scrambler. Get rid of that bitch.
Eyes up!
Are you dying, John?
Wait, are you dying?
God, I'm in like the thick of it, bitch.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. The shit that we think of, like we think so similar, y'all. That's one of the things that we get along so well. Lorenzi thinks differently on a lot of things, but I think differently on some things too. That's what makes it work well.
Hostile Semtex!
Besides my house.
Lorenzi's the sassy one. What do you mean?
Get out of my way, you green pajama bitch.
Oh, fuck, a fucking Granada hit my booty.
Help
Got
me and help
shot.
hostage bitches
Buddha-
behind y'all hoes.
Coming.
Thank you.
Come on out of me. No. What the fuck?
I just watched someone get fly out of the side of the train, and because we're going so fast, the body like glitched onto the rock and like flew.
Help me again behind y'all bitches.
Sorry, babe.
Throw this out fast!
Destroying somebody's life over here.
Incoming frag!
Butter, your daddy should have pulled out.
Yeah, so should
Eyes on
mine.
hostile protection!
Cassidy Grace.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Can't say things like that, Breeze Beetle.
Shit, how are you like winning right now?
Out.
Huh?
So you're gonna cut that little bit out.
No, I'm not. You just need to calm your little tits. Oh, me and this other bitch are on top of the train, and we're like, what the fuck? We're like,
Coming close to you. I am gonna touch you.
don't touch me there. That is my no-no square. Oh shit, don't touch me there. Ow. At least I died and fell into the train.
This is a good fucking map to get headshots. Let me tell you something.
Oh yeah, because you're packing a bunch of them into like, this is a good map to get a best kill because you've got a lot of people in one tiny little area and you can blow all their brains out. It's great.
Little bit. Yeah. And Beetle fell off.
Beach Beetle keeps falling off.
These Beetles sniping these hoes.
Target the field hostile!
Beast Dilla keep trying to get kills and getting killed. So Beast Dilla not doing good.
Landing mine!
These motherfuckers.
They're moving!
Shit, man, we were defeated. But 3 little points.
I got 71 kills.
And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah.